right now, the majority of new channels that are being created are faceless YouTube channels. They use AI voiceover, stock footage, no personality, just information delivered from behind the screen. Which means if you are willing to show up on camera, you are already doing something most people won't ever do. And in this video, I'm breaking down 5 YouTube niches to where your face, your personality, and your story are not just fine. They are the thing that grows your channel fast. And if you watch this video to the very end, I will tell you why this kind of niches has an added advantage. These are not the same niches you have already heard me talk about. These are 5 specific niches where faceless channel simply cannot compete with a real person showing you how the content are being done or the real example of what he's doing. Now think about the last channel you were actually obsessed with, the one where you waited for the new videos, where you knew the person's story, where you felt like they were talking directly to you about your issues, about what you are searching for. That channel had a face, it had a person. And in 2026, where more channels than ever are hiding behind voiceovers, being that the person is more valuable than it has ever been. And here is the real advantage: brands that partner with personality on camera creators pay 20 to 30% sponsorship than they pay faceless channels with the exact same subscribers count. Not because the faceless content is worthless or is worse, but because trust converts, and trust lives in a face and in the mind of people. When a viewer has watched your video for 3 months, seeing you frustrated, seeing you win, hear your voice in their ears on a commute, they act on what you recommend, they click your affiliate links, they buy what you are selling and what you mentioned. Faceless channel get views. On camera creators build relationship. These 5 niches are where that relationship turns directly into growth. Now let's get right to it. Niche number 1: self-improvement and personal development. And I'm talking about a specific angle here, not motivational quotes over a sunset footage. That version exists and is full. A good example of this shift is a channel like known for documenting reading, productivity, and personal growth habits. He talks directly to camera, share opinion, struggles, and routine, but more like I'm figuring this out with you. His content works because of his personality plus honesty, not just information. Viewers follow him, not just the topic. What is growing right now in self-improvement is this honest version of self-improvement. A real person on camera showing their actual attempt at becoming better person. Self-improvement content earns $6 to $15 CPM depending on your sub niche, and the sponsorship landscape here is enormous. Productivity app, habit tracking tools, online courses, wellness brand, journaling apps, all of them specifically want on camera creators because they want their products associated with a real person's real transformation. A faceless channel can never give them that, but you can. You show your face on camera and explain all of that. Niche number 2: language learning, specifically English for non-native speakers. I want to sit with you for a second because the data behind it is genuinely surprising. English language content on YouTube has only around 10,000 competing channels globally and the RPM of nearly $12. Those 3 numbers together describe one of the most underserved high-paying niches on the entire YouTube channel, the YouTube platform. Over 1 billion people are currently learning English language around the world, and they go to YouTube for pronunciation help, grammar explanation, vocabulary building, and most importantly, they want to hear someone who sounds like they have figured it out how to speak English confidently. What people actually want is confident real-life speaking. How do I sound naturally? And channel like English with Lucy that are teaching pronunciation, grammar, and confidence. She teaches clearly on camera with facial expression, tone, and personality, and the channel has over 13 million subscribers. This niche requires your face and your voice on camera. A voiceover won't work here because the viewer need to see your mouth, your confidence, your expression, and that is precisely why the gap still exists. So niche number 3, sport commentary and analysis. I'm going to be direct with you about why this one belongs on this list. Specifically for on-camera creators, sports commentary without a personality is just reading match statistics. Nobody wants that. What people want is a real person reacting, analyzing, arguing a point, or celebrating, being frustrated. The emotion is the content. Example of channel is Mark Boatbridge. He built a massive audience reacting to a football matches and news. For example, they want someone to break down what Osimhen performance means for Nigerian football in plain passionate language. They want a real person reacting to a last minute goal the way they reacted at home, not in professional studio voice. So sports commentary earns moderate CPM, roughly $4 to $12 depending on your audience base. But the real money here is in community and sponsorship, sport betting platform, sports equipment brand, football and streaming service all want to be in front of passionate sports audience, and passionate sports audience follow personalities, not faceless channels. If YouTube is something you talked about naturally, loudly, and with a genuine opinion, you already have the whole setup for this niche. Niche number 4, relationship and marriage advice. I want to separate this from what I talked about in my last video. That was about dating and modern relationship dynamics. This is specifically about marriage, the preparation for it, the navigation of it, the things nobody told you before you got there. This is one of the most underrated content but overthought about niches right now. People are asking, what does a modern marriage look like? How do we balance culture plus independence? How do we talk about money in marriage, emotion, expectation? But almost nobody is talking about it openly on YouTube. That is why channels like Ling and Lam and Steven Speak gives relationship and marriage advice directly to camera. They use storytelling, real life examples, and emotional delivery. These channels have grown because they share real conversation, real dynamics, and real perspective that people relate to. This niche work because it's emotional and it's personal, and it requires trust, and trust comes from seeing a real person and on camera creator who talks about this from inside their own experience, whether they are married, engaged, or simply someone who thinks carefully about it, has an immediate audience that trusts them because they can see their face and feel that the conversation is real. Marriage and relationship content earn up to $7 to $12 CPM, and the audience that engage with this content deeply is one of the highest converting on the platform for digital products and coaching services. Niche number 5, parenting and family. Parents right now are trying to figure out how to raise confident kids, how to balance tradition versus modern thinking, how to communicate better than the way their parents did, because they want to raise children who are confident, emotionally healthy, and culturally grounded. They have very few creators helping them figure this out and what that will actually look like in practice. Topic like how to talk to your children about difficult things, how to raise a child who asks questions in a home that is traditionally expected silent, how to discipline without the method your parents used. This topic have enormous search demand on YouTube right now. Channel example is Jordan Matter. This channel creates family-centered content involving his kids, Mrs. parenting, storytelling, and a real-life dynamic parenting. This content earn around $8 to $14 CPM and views some of the most loyal audience on YouTube because it speaks to something people care about more than almost anything else in their lives. And it cannot be faceless. Nobody takes parenting advice from a voiceover. They take it from a real person. And the mistake I see almost every on-camera creator make in their first 20 video is this: they rehearse too much. They practice the script so many times that by the time they hit record, every sentence sounds polished and slightly disconnected from real speech. No real-time thinking, and the viewer feels it even if they cannot name what is off on the video. The viewers who stay, subscribe, and come back every week, they are not there because your videos are perfect. They are there because your videos feel like a real person talking to camera, talking to them. The next time you record, allow yourself to think out loud on camera and allow them to feel it. Allow the pauses. When you are choosing a word, it does not make you look unprofessional. It makes you you look human, and human are exactly what your audience come to find. That is what they are searching for. Which of these 5 niches are you starting? Drop in the comment section, and thank you for watching my video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.